What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Keisha. So this is my channel, and we are so happy that I am so happy that you guys are tuning in to watch this video. So today I am going to slay this Amazon wig that I bought. I purchased this wig from this company on Amazon. It was literally like $49. That's how cheap it was. And I'm gonna show in the video here or there what it looked like when I got it and everything like that. I have not cut the lace, so I still have it here. Mommy. It's right here. It's a 10-inch bob lace front wig. It has, you know, the little strap, a little spandex strap in the back to kind of hold it closer to your head. I need that because I have a small head, guys. So I need as many straps as possible. And it also has the little adjustable hook right here to make it smaller, to adjust the size as well. It has the 3 combs, of course. 3 combs. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So yeah, so I got this wig. It was cheap, $50. I thought I'd try it out. Listen, Amazon is coming through with your girl, because I tried this on for like 1 second. I was like, this is about to be so cute. One thing I will say is the knots are not bleached on this wig in the front. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry for the noise. My kids, they're playing. So yeah, the knots are not bleached on this. So for me, what I'm gonna do, well, I had my tan stocking wig cap on, and then I was gonna say stocking cap. I have my wig cap on, and I'm also going to use some of my foundation with a brush to try to like tan this up a little bit right here. So that will help blend as well and look as natural as possible. Okay guys, so let's get into this video. First thing I'm gonna do is kind of do like I said with the knots in the front of the lace, right where the hair is. I'm gonna try to, you know, with some foundation, with my foundation, not bleach it, but like, you know, give it some tip color. So yeah, while we do that, ooh. Ooh. See that? How much better that looks already. I'm gonna do a little bit more. I don't want to do too much. Maybe a little bit more right there. I got most of it. Let me see. Put that underline. Yeah. I don't want it to be too dark because it's already a tan lace, so yeah. All right. Now that I did that, perfect. Now I'm gonna do an experiment and cut the lace while it's on my head. But for right now, for the glue that I'll be using, I'm not doing got to be glued and with the spray and the gel. For me, I'm gonna be using this Ghost Bond extra large. Why did I say extra large? This Ghost Bond extra XL wig glue. Okay, I bought this off of Amazon. It's literally like $20. I've used it one time before, but I didn't feel like I used it right, so I'm gonna definitely try it this time. So the hardest place for me to get wigs to stick. One second, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Now that I've done that, now it's time to lay the wig, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna have to divert to the mirror again.
Eventually.
Okay, guys. I had to go offline for a second because, let me tell you, this was hard. Okay, it is so freaking hard doing gluing it down. I was struggling, so I had to like stay in the mirror to try to like get this together. So this is where I'm at right now with my wig. I'm about to flat iron it a little bit really quick, and then I'm pretty much done. I know you guys didn't see the entire process, and I'm sorry, but yes, you know how they be like, do it yourself? It's so easy. It was not easy. Like, I have a whole bunch of hairs in my face right now. I'm trying to get out. But y'all, this wig though, look at this. This is so cute. I'm gonna give y'all the specifications of the wig, and I will leave the link below for the wig that I bought. So if you're interested in, you know, since it's inexpensive, $50, and this hair, y'all, it's like the right density. It feels so real. We're about to flat iron it and see how it actually holds up with heat, but it looks so natural, so real. And it's by Darnies, or whatever. So you know how you have to like, you know, because when you be looking at pictures and the reviews on Amazon or just anywhere in general, you're like, did they steal this picture from somebody? But no, literally, this wig, look at this, is everything to me, y'all. Look, hold on, don't mind me, I'm pulling it down just a little bit. Okay. It's everything. Okay. It's a 13x4 lace front human hair wig. It's, of course, it's pre-plucked, Brazilian, short. I know I said I got the 10-inch, but I really got the 8-inch. I couldn't remember which one I had bought, but I bought the 8-inch. So yes, I love it. I love how natural it looks, and this is so perfect because we're about to roll into fall. So, you know, short, natural, dark colored, that's where you want to go for fall. So, all right, my flat iron is hot. Let's get into this flat iron. gonna add some of this Care wax on there to kind of like help it lay down and kind of catch the flyaways, because it is kind of annoying me. Like it's sticking to my face and everything, so that's kind of annoying. Okay. All right. And you can find this stuff on Amazon as well. That's where I bought this one. Whew, okay, that helped a lot. Okay, and that is this video, guys. I am loving this wig. Hold on, I'm absolutely obsessed with this wig right now. Like, it is everything to me, okay? Everything. Like, Amazon is coming through with everything. You can get anything on Amazon. And the fact that I found this wig like this on Amazon, there's this piece right here. She's sticking out. It's crazy to me. It is. I'm like blown all the way away. All the way away, okay? That I found this wig on Amazon. I love it. Okay, guys. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. The details for this wig and pretty much everything that I used will be down below. I know I didn't show you how I laid this wig down and everything, because trust me, it was harder than it looks, okay? But I got it on here. It's on my head, and it's on here, guys. So I'm just happy it's on here in a normal looking fashion. So keep watching my videos, keep looking out. If you have the notification bell, you will be updated when I post new videos. So thanks for watching, guys.